Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLCH1000, $4,000, Rainsville, Alabama. The 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLCH1000 is a true ironhead classic, admired for its unmistakable V-twin character, rugged styling, and old-school riding experience. These mid-1970s Sportsters continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate their mechanical simplicity and timeless Harley-Davidson heritage. According to the seller, this example has received numerous updates, including a new carburetor, handlebars, controls, tires, clutch release, solenoid, and fresh fluids. Equipped with both kickstart and electric start, it also includes passenger accessories and is currently registered and insured in Alabama. For buyers looking for a classic Harley with plenty of character, this XLCH offers an appealing package. Number 2. 1975 Suzuki T500 Titan, $2,500, Wheelersburg, Ohio. The 1975 Suzuki T500 Titan remains one of the most respected Japanese two-stroke motorcycles of its era, known for its strong twin-cylinder engine and distinctive exhaust note. Its combination of reliable performance and classic styling has made it a favorite among vintage Suzuki enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example features original paint along with several mechanical upgrades, including new pistons and rings, new carburetors, electronic ignition, a new regulator, rectifier, and gel battery. With a clean title and the original oil injection system still functioning, this Titan presents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a well-maintained vintage two-stroke. Number 3. 1964 BSA Lightning, $2,800, Imperial, Missouri. The 1964 BSA Lightning is a classic British twin that continues to earn admiration for its lightweight feel, responsive performance, and timeless styling. BSA motorcycles from this period remain popular with collectors who appreciate their rich heritage and engaging riding experience. According to the seller, this custom bobber benefits from a rebuilt engine, upgraded 12-volt electronic ignition, and is described as starting easily, idling smoothly, and running strong. With a street-legal title already in place, this vintage BSA offers an attractive blend of classic British character and modern reliability upgrades. Number 4. 1982 Honda Goldwing GL1100, $3,000, Lenoir, North Carolina. The 1982 Honda Goldwing GL1100 is well known for its smooth flat-4 engine, dependable performance, and comfortable long-distance touring capability. Even customized examples remain popular thanks to the Goldwing's legendary durability and versatile platform. According to the seller, this motorcycle has received a custom paint job along with numerous upgrades, including new fork seals, rear shocks, lighting, controls, pegs, master cylinder, and dual USB charging ports. With a clean title and a strong running engine, it offers an interesting option for riders wanting a personalized vintage touring motorcycle. Number 5. 1963 Triumph T120, $4,800, Alto, Michigan. The 1963 Triumph T120 Bonneville is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its lively parallel twin engine and timeless cafe racer appeal. Early Bonneville models continue to be highly sought after by collectors because of their historical significance and classic styling. According to the seller, this example runs exceptionally well and remains in very good condition for its age, with only minor cosmetic imperfections. The engine and frame carry different VIN numbers, a situation that was not uncommon on motorcycles from this era, and is reflected in the asking price. For enthusiasts searching for an attractive early Triumph, this T120 offers plenty of vintage charm. Number 6. 1970 Kawasaki Bushwhacker 175F, $5,000, Johnson City, Tennessee. The 1970 Kawasaki Bushwhacker 175F is a rare two-stroke dual-purpose motorcycle that combines lightweight performance with classic trail bike versatility. Equipped with both electric and kickstart, along with dual sprockets for on- and off-road riding, it reflects Kawasaki's innovative engineering during the early 1970s. According to the seller, this example has just 1,512 original miles, with the headlight, tail light, and horn all functioning properly. Complete with a clean title and street-legal status, this low-mileage Bushwhacker is a difficult model to find today and would make an excellent addition to any vintage Japanese motorcycle collection. Number 7. 1976 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead, $5,000, Batavia, Ohio. The 1976 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead remains one of the most recognizable American V-twins, appreciated for its unmistakable styling, strong torque, and legendary shovelhead character. These motorcycles continue to attract riders and collectors who enjoy their classic design and authentic old-school riding experience. According to the seller, this FXE features a strong running engine with a freshly rebuilt top end and an aftermarket cam that adds extra performance. While it needs a new battery and a few minor finishing touches, it starts easily with the Kickstarter and offers an excellent opportunity for someone looking to own a classic Harley with plenty of personality. Number 8. 1974 Kawasaki KZ, $1,100, Sandwich, Illinois. The 1974 Kawasaki KZ represents the dependable engineering and straightforward design that helped Kawasaki's reputation during the 1970s. Early KZ models remain popular thanks to their reliability, enjoyable riding manners, and simple mechanical design that is easy to maintain. According to the seller, this motorcycle is a clean, running, and riding example that has been carefully stored indoors and maintained on a trickle charger. Like many vintage carbureted motorcycles, it can be a little temperamental in certain weather conditions, but its clean title and affordable asking price make it an attractive option for classic motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 9. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Bobber, $8,250, Maryville, Tennessee. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Bobber combines classic American V-twin performance with timeless custom styling. Shovelhead-powered bobbers remain highly desirable because of their distinctive appearance, mechanical simplicity, and unmistakable exhaust note that continues to define vintage Harley culture. According to the seller, this custom build features a Springer front end, S&S Super E carburetor, belt drive, upgraded controls, performance engine components, and a 4-speed Baker transmission. With its lightweight feel, aggressive stance, and proven running condition, this custom Harley offers plenty of old-school attitude for its next owner. Number 10. 1970 Honda CL350, $850, Iowa City, Iowa. The 1970 Honda CL350 is a classic scrambler that earned a reputation for dependable performance, lightweight handling, and versatile everyday usability. Its high-mounted exhaust, reliable twin-cylinder engine, and timeless styling continue to make it a favorite among vintage Honda enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example runs, shifts through all gears, and stops properly while benefiting from new tires, a new battery, and fully functioning lights and horn. Although the carburetors could use some fine-tuning, this kickstart-only CL350 offers an affordable project that could quickly become an enjoyable vintage rider.